This gel contains testosterone and is used to replace hormones in men who cannot produce enough testosterone, such as those with hypogonadism. It is absorbed through the skin and helps the body reach normal testosterone levels. Testosterone is important for developing and maintaining male sexual characteristics, muscle maintenance, preventing bone loss, and natural sexual ability. It should not be used by women. The daily dosage and optimal timing for taking this medication should be determined by a doctor. Before using Androgel gel in packet, it's important to carefully read the medication guide and patient information leaflet provided by your pharmacist. If you have any questions, be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist for clarification. There are different testosterone products available for use on the skin, all with varying amounts and effects. It's crucial to follow the dosing instructions for each product and not to switch products without consulting your doctor or pharmacist. If you are using the gel pump, make sure to learn how to prepare it for use. You can apply the medication to the clean, dry skin of the shoulders/upper arms once daily in the morning, or as directed by your doctor. Certain brands may also be applied to the abdomen, so be sure to check your product's instructions or ask your pharmacist for guidance. After applying the medication, it's important to thoroughly wash your hands with soap and water to avoid accidentally spreading it. And make sure to wait for the application site to dry completely before getting dressed. To ensure maximum effectiveness, wait several hours before showering or swimming to allow the drug to be fully absorbed through the skin. Use this medication regularly at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it. It's important to avoid misuse or abuse of this medication, as it can lead to serious side effects such as heart disease, liver disease, and mental/mood problems. If you experience any worsening of your condition, be sure to inform your doctor. And remember, this medication is flammable until dry, so make sure it's completely dry before going near an open flame. It's important to be aware of the potential side effects of Androgel gel in packet. Some common side effects may include nausea, vomiting, headache, dizziness, hair loss, trouble sleeping, change in sexual desire, redness/swelling of the skin, change in skin color, and acne. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. It's also important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefits outweigh the risks of potential side effects. Many people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's crucial to inform your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects, such as breast pain or enlargement, swelling of the feet/ankles, weight gain, difficulty breathing, weakness, trouble urinating, mental/mood changes, changes in the size/shape of the testicles, stomach/abdominal pain, dark urine, yellowing of eyes/skin, or fast/irregular heartbeat. Additionally, if you experience very serious side effects like shortness of breath, chest/jaw/left arm pain, unusual sweating, confusion, sudden dizziness/fainting, pain/swelling/warmth in the groin/calf, sudden/severe headaches, trouble speaking, weakness on one side of the body, or sudden changes in vision, it's important to seek medical help immediately. If you have diabetes, especially if you are taking insulin, it's important to be aware that testosterone may decrease your blood sugar. It's important to be prepared to treat low blood sugar while using this medication and consult your doctor if you experience symptoms of low blood sugar. It's also important to note that males may rarely experience a painful or prolonged erection lasting 4 or more hours while using this medication. If this occurs, it's crucial to stop using the drug and seek medical help immediately to avoid potential permanent problems. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, it's important to seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. If you notice any other effects not listed above, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist and discuss them. If children come into contact with Androgel gel in packet, they may absorb the medication through their skin, which can lead to unwanted side effects due to the testosterone gel. It's important to ensure that children do not have direct contact with the area where the medication has been applied. If you notice any unexpected signs of puberty in a child, such as an unusual increase in the size of genitals, early development of pubic hair, increased erections or sex drive in boys, or aggressive behavior, it's crucial to inform both of your doctors immediately. To reduce this risk, it's essential to carefully follow all the directions for the proper use of this drug. Before using Androgel gel in packet, it's important to discuss any allergies with your doctor or pharmacist, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions. Make sure to also provide your medical history, especially if you have had breast cancer, prostate problems, liver or heart issues, diabetes, high cholesterol or other health concerns. It's important to avoid direct contact with the application site to prevent exposing others to the medication. Women and children should especially avoid contact with the unwashed or unclothed area where the medication has been applied. If you expect to have skin-to-skin contact with another person, make sure to wash the application area well with soap and water first. If the medication accidentally gets into your eyes, rinse them immediately with clean, warm water and seek medical help if necessary. Androgel gel in packet may cause dizziness, so it's important to avoid driving or using machinery until you can do so safely. Limiting alcoholic beverages and discussing marijuana use with your doctor is also important while using this medication. Before having surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. For men using this medication, especially older adults, it's crucial to have your risk of prostate problems checked by your doctor before starting testosterone. It's also important to monitor children's height periodically, as this drug may affect bone growth in children. Androgel gel in packet should not be used by women, as accidental exposure may cause side effects due to testosterone gel. Women who are pregnant or breastfeeding must avoid contact with this medication, as it may harm an unborn or breastfeeding baby. It's essential to consult your doctor for more details and to seek medical help if you notice any symptoms in a woman who has been exposed to the medication. Drug interactions can affect how your medications work and may increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. This includes prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products. Do not make any changes to your medication dosage without consulting your doctor. Androgel gel in packet may interact with blood thinners such as warfarin. It may also interfere with certain lab tests, potentially leading to false test results for thyroid function tests and creatinine levels. Be sure to inform lab personnel and all your doctors that you are using this medication. As for daily dosage and timing, it is best to follow your doctor's instructions. The benefits of Androgel gel in packet include helping to replace testosterone in men with low or no natural testosterone production. The optimal time to apply this gel is typically in the morning, as directed by your doctor. If someone were to accidentally swallow this medication, it could be harmful. In the event of an overdose with serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include weakness on one side of the body, trouble speaking, vision problems, or confusion. It is important not to share this medication with others as it is against the law. While using Androgel gel in packet, it is important to undergo lab and/or medical tests such as PSA, cholesterol, hemoglobin, hematocrit, testosterone blood levels, and prostate exams. It is essential to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. This medication has been prescribed for your current condition only. It is not recommended to use it later for another problem unless instructed to do so by your doctor. In such cases, a different medication may be necessary. If you forget to use Androgel gel in packet, use it as soon as you remember. If it is less than 12 hours until your next dose, skip the missed dose and use your next dose at the regular time. Do not use double the dose to make up for the missed one. When storing Androgel gel in packet, make sure to keep it at room temperature and away from light and moisture. Avoid storing it in the bathroom or near an open flame. It's important to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets, and to dispose of used medication packages in a secure trash can. Remember not to flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. If you have any questions about how to dispose of Androgel gel in packet, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.